welcome back to That's So Nova, and we're on day 2 of our advent calendars, and I'm going to start it off tonight. Alright, there is day 2, and it says, hang your gift on your tree or your keychain. Your friends at Sallie Tomato. I'm trying not to like rip it open like I normally do. Aww, it's a little like gift bag that says Happy Holidays 2021. It's a bag, it's a tote. That's super cute. And it's made from cork. I like that. That's a cute gift. Now I'm gonna pass it to Kendall Jr.
Hi, welcome back, and I will open too.
What is it?
I got another mini Star Wars Lego ship.
It looks like a, I don't know, I don't have the name on top of mine. Don't judge me, Star Wars people. I know the name.
I think they all go together to build one.
No, that's an individual ship.
Yeah, it's individual.
Excellent. Can't wait to see it, Ken.
And let's go to Hope.
Hello. And today we'll be opening 2, which is right here. That's very pretty. I forget the name of this one, but I really do like this one. Let me put him out. He's the dog and Pokemon. There's a bunch of dogs, so I don't know why I said that.
Use your baby fingers and pry it out. Not rip the box, man.
Thank you.
What? It really wants you to work for it. Oh, that's super cute.
Scuffles. That's his name now.
Aww. It's like metallic pink and like metallic browns. It's really pretty.
He's so
And now to my eldest, Faith Naomi.
Back to our Sephora box we have. It says, such an easy stick. Let's see what it is. It's a bamboo mask stick for like, it's like a facial.
Ooh. What smell? Is it bamboo or does it not say it on the?
I don't really know what it smells like.
Cucumbers?
Kind of like cucumbers, yeah.
Alright. That's a nice gift. And now to my husband and his socks.
Hello there. So we're back to day 2 of socks and Santa's butt.
Derriere.
So you can't see it, but there is a Yeti on the front, walking in front of the mountain. And getting in this box is almost as hard as getting out of hers. Oh, now I get it. So every day, what the outside is actually what's on the inside. Yeti in front of the mountains.
I know somebody that will love this.
Yeah, me. And Faith, because this is her favorite color, blue.
Alright. Well, I'm glad that you guys are here for day number 2. We will see you until the next video on day 3. Thank you so much.
All right.
Bye.
Happy holidays.